Video number 15. Common mistakes new crypto investors make. What could be so hard about investing in cryptocurrency? Well, it's not too hard. However, that's when you don't make beginner mistakes. Here are the biggest mistakes to avoid making as a new investor if you want to invest in cryptocurrency. 1. You don't know the basics. What are cryptocurrencies? What is blockchain? Before jumping into the industry, take the time to understand the basics of the technology you're going to be investing in. If you don't understand the basics, your digital currency experience will be a short one. You don't need to rush into it. Take your time to educate yourself. 2. Falling for the hype. There's a new currency online, and everyone is rushing to buy into it. Sounds like something you need to jump on board with, right? Wrong. Social media has a huge influence in the cryptocurrency world, meaning many currencies get hyped up and crash. If you hear of an upcoming currency, do your own research and don't fall for the hype. 3. Submitting the wrong wallet address. This happens more often than people would like to admit. It's easy to give the wrong wallet address and end up sending crypto to a completely different person without the ability to retrieve it. Understandably, selling and buying crypto is exciting. However, one mistake could end up with you losing your currency. Always double-check the wallet address before submitting it. 4. Falling for the scams. Scams are in every industry, and sometimes they can look convincing. Many scams in the digital currency world prey on new investors who are new in the industry. Never open an account and invest your money into a site before researching them. Pyramid schemes are also in the cryptocurrency world, so be aware of any site that asks you to recruit new investors in exchange for currency. 5. Investing without a strategy. If you're someone who can only check their investment and trade once a month, you'll have a different strategy than someone who has 5 days a week to invest in trading. Know who you are and what you want to get out of your investment. By developing a strategy, you'll keep yourself in line with your goals. 6. You don't read the cryptocurrency charts. The more knowledge you have about the market, the more power you have with your investment. You need to read price charts and learn where you can invest in potentially successful projects. Take the time to educate yourself on price charts to ensure your investments are lucrative. 7. Mistake of buying crypto at an all-time high. Investing while the market is high or at an all-time high is among the worst errors you can make as an investor. That's what happened to investors earlier this year when they invested in Bitcoin when it was trading at $30,000 to $66,000. Always think and analyze before scheduling your investment. You should think about how you'll get that money into the market. This will reduce the amount of risk you're incurring. 8. Not using use2FA. Strengthening the security of your coins is an important step in developing your Bitcoin investing plan. The most critical habit you can develop to enhance the security of your assets is to enable 2FA on all sensitive websites. Investing in cryptocurrencies can be an excellent opportunity for financial gain. However, you want to make sure you reduce your room for error. Follow these tips before you start investing in cryptocurrencies. Thank you for watching. Hope you have enjoyed it.